So welcome back to one of my videos, and here it is all the way from the US, from Uniicorn Slime Shop by the famous Joseph Athonii. I think he's got like 300 and something or other thousand subscribers by now. So here's a lovely lollipop and a sweet, very American. We don't have these in the UK that I'm aware of, so thank you for that. And we have slime, I can get it out, yeah, and a card to tell you how to take care of your slime, and his logo on the front, very nice too, and a little baggie of borax, and here's the slime. I'm really looking forward to this. Do not eat. I'll try not to eat it. So, oh look, it says what it is. Mermaid Soda Pop. I saw him doing a video on this and it was actually available in store and not sold out. So I jumped at the chance and bought one. Shipping here was ridiculously expensive, but there were no taxes to pay, so that was good. So let's dive in. Oh, look at those colours. Really good colours, very mermaidy, and this slime looks so glossy. I love the pastel beads. So, oh, it's not sticky at all. This is really thick slime. Not sticky, but super glossy. Feels very dense. And I can already smell orange popping up at me. Really nice. Yes, that's a very nice smell. It's a very fresh smell. It's not too overpowering. It's got really good click. Wow, so let's get this out and have a look. Wow, it's just so glossy. It's so stretchy. Look at that. It's got great pop. These beads, they're just super sweet. So this is in mint condition, this slime, even though it's travelled all the way from the US. It's just, it doesn't need anything adding to it, it's just right. So I don't know how he does it. I wonder if he uses Elmer's glue. So I am so happy with this slime. However, it did cost $12, but $30 to be shipped here, so I wouldn't do this on a regular basis, but it's well worth it just to see what a famous slimer can do. So wow, heads up to you, Joseph, because this is really good slime. I'm shook. So I ordered this on Sunday the 26th of August and it got here today on Saturday the 1st of September, so that's super quick delivery and it hasn't spoilt at all in transit, which is amazing. Didn't need activator, didn't need hand cream, nothing, just bang on. So I am super happy with my order. But I don't think I'll be ordering again for quite a while because it is a bit of a wallet buster, that one. So that is it for this video. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye!